Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone battery drain issue on iOS 26 step by step. So first of all, open up your App Store and then tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, if you scroll down a bit, you will see an option called Update All. Go ahead and tap on that. This makes sure all of your apps are optimized for iOS 26, which helps reduce background crashes and unnecessary battery drain. After that, go to your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, find Background App Refresh and tap on it. Here, choose Off or select Wi-Fi only. This stops apps from constantly refreshing in the background, which will definitely help your battery last longer. After that, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down, then tap on Privacy and Security. Then go into Location Services. Here, you will see a list of all the apps that use your location. Change the setting to while using the app or never for apps you don't really need. This way, your phone only uses GPS when necessary. After that, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on battery. Now here you will see a breakdown of which apps are using the most battery. If you notice an app that's draining too much even when you don't use it much, you can either delete it, update it, or limit its background activity. Then go to battery health and charging, and from here turn on optimize battery charging. This helps your iPhone learn your daily charging habits and reduces long-term battery wear. Moving on, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on accessibility. After that, go into motion. Here, turn on reduce motion. This will make animation simpler and smoother, which uses less power overall. And that's all. After following all these steps, your iPhone on iOS 26 should last much longer and run way smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.